Testing, testing. One, two. Okay, we're back. There you go. Good morning. Have a good beginning of the week. We are back. We're live. Checking into the market to see what is going to be over here. We're checking SPX. We're checking everything that is right here. Let's take a look to the Google right now, doing a big jump. Look at this jump of Google right here, closing the gap right here. Google big jump to the upside. What am I gonna do? I'm just gonna watch how it's performing into the RSI right here. Still having a good moment to go up. We'll see Google. Let me start trimming something around here, which is Nvidia. Look at this Nvidia calls for 296. I'm gonna close 9 of them, and I'm gonna leave. There you go, one. Right. Starting with some profits right here on Apple coming back now. 11 positions now. I'm gonna go into one position. Try to trim some gains around here. Nvidia 914 now, 995, probably going to 1000. Uh, Bitcoin going a little bit up. We're gonna see chart by chart right here. Let's take a look at Nvidia. Nvidia very good, doing a jump into the upside right here. We're gonna see probably by the end of the week, trying to close by the 1000s. Expected to be more than 1000 Nvidia right here, the big uh, semiconductor right here. What else do I have over here? Tesla coming strong. You see, coming back from the bottom. This could be the bottom. Let's take a look over here. Do you want to buy it right now? Tesla. I gotta wait a lot of time because I bought it on the 220s. So I'm just waiting, being patient. A couple of months have passed already. I bought it on January, almost the end of January. Just waiting for March. Look at this. The Tesla is coming back strong. There is a lot of calls for Tesla probably. I'm keeping an eye on Nike this week because I want to see how it's performing right here. I'm going to show you Tesla right here how it's good, how it's doing. Right here, Tesla at 167, going $4 up right here into the sell position. The sell is becoming stronger right here into the sell uh, area. The sell sentiment, they want to drop it to 150 maybe or 140, but also is a good area for a buy. So there is a lot of buy calls right here. Buying spread into Tesla. I'm still bull on Tesla because Tesla for me is one of the most incredible companies in the world. I want to stay on Tesla right here. I'm checking the chat also at the same time. Let me know if you got questions. We are here. We're ready to answer it the best way possible right here. So I'm on Tesla right now. I'm gonna keep an eye on the big changes right here, which is still Google. Google going up. Look at this, Google man. Google going up, going strong like a boss right here. Nvidia also coming strong, coming up. I bought it at the low. Now it's coming back stronger. Like I told you, gotta wait for between like 1, 2, 3, or 4 days so you can be profitable. That's the way it is. That's the way it's gonna work. That's the way it will happen right here. Let me see who else is going up. Tesla also is going up. Uh, Taiwan Semiconductors also going up. PayPal going up very strong. We can see PayPal going up. Apple is going up. It's coming back into the game right here. I bought it at 182, expecting 192, and exit because it's being hard. It's being hard for Apple. It's gonna take time into it reach 182 unless there is a big important information dropping this week. So we're just gonna keep an eye on this thing. Hold on.
Qualcomm. So I don't know if that's a smaller name, but that's kind of been a stock that has been quietly running up because I say quietly talking about it on these spaces, but it's really moved up nicely from. I wish I knew the percentage it was up this year, but you know, a few weeks ago it was down at about 152 maybe, and now it's at 170. So kind of keep your eye on that because it's been a silent stock making some big moves. So that's what I'm looking at.
Okay, so I'm watching Nike this week because Nike is having earnings on Thursday. Let me see Nike right here. Let me see. Nike live right here having earnings on Thursday. I'm exiting Nike around 109. It goes way better. 121 could be reachable in 1 or 2 months. But 109 is my exit take profits area. Nike is doing good. Strong company doing partnerships with Fortnite and everything. So I got eyes on that for this week. Let me see who's doing an oversold. Lee, wow, dropping hard. Remember we did Lee Auto at $30. It went 33. It went 34. It went 35. It went 39. It went 46. Wow, this is crazy. It already closed the gaps in this area. It closed the gaps in this area. Now we're expecting to close the gap in this area, probably this one too, and finally this one too, so we can buy it again. So if you're shorting Liauro, you're still good. Just got to be very patient because there's still a lot of gaps to be filled up. That's just my point of view right here. Eh, Going into the next earnings call. The auto doesn't move too much. That's why it takes time. But when it moves pretty good. Like a big excitement of the people betting on that. We have also Rivian. Rivian is still in the bottom, struggling hard to overcome that area. Right here, Snowflake. Snowflake very hard, having a hard time right now. I could see that probably this is the bottom of Snowflake, and we can start buying from here. I would say I'm gonna buy 10. I'm gonna buy 10 of Snowflake. By the way, I want to talk about Bitcoin a little bit in a few because I did very good on on Bitcoin. Why am I buying a Snowflake? Because it's getting into my rules right here. My rule is into the area, coming back into the area, coming back. We will see a little coming back. I will probably exit around here since it's not even touching the half of my indicator right here for the purchasing power. Uh, what we got over here? We got Walmart. Walmart right here doing a sale, and I'm not gonna touch it. It's not in my area. We got Shopify. Shopify interesting right here. Probably it's gonna start pulling up to look for this area on 89. I'm gonna buy not yet because it's not in my area, so I'm not gonna touch it. AMD. I'm getting these AMDs because they are into the good area. Because if Nvidia goes up and AMD goes up, I'm just gonna buy it into the 206, which is gonna be right here. 206 is a good number, but remember this is a long-term trade. Right here, this can happen in 1 week. This can happen in 2 days. We won't know. Right now, this is the area I'm entering because NVIDIA and AMD got together. If I'm entering NVIDIA, I'm entering also AMD. What's AMD? It's Advanced Micro Devices, which is the microchips on your computer and all of that. We got Uber also. Oof, like this thing. It's into the oversold right here area. I'm gonna buy it. Probably coming back to close this gap right here on 69.99. I'm gonna buy it with a stop loss right here. Entering into the 84 area and a stop loss of 60. Let me see. It goes below this area, it's gonna be done. 67. 67 is a good number right here. 67. Uh, I'm buying right now. Let's see how it's gonna go. Hopefully, it's gonna go good. 10 orders right here. What we got in McDonald's? McDonald's, oof, oversold, ready to buy. Yeah, I'm gonna buy McDonald's right here. Into the 279 for take profit and into the 290 right here. 290. Not too crazy. Don't put 500 or something like that. Come on, be real. See the numbers, try to trade what is happening right here. Trade what is happening. Don't expect something right now. What's happening? Oversold. Okay, ready for a comeback. How long? Tomorrow? No. Today? No. Maybe we'll take 1, 2, 3, or 4, 5 days. We're gonna come back on Friday and take a look about this trade right here on McDonald's. What else do I have right here? I have AutoZone. Okay, I'm not gonna touch it. AutoZone doing good. I'm not gonna lie. I was expecting a sell, but it's just holding strong. Probably I'm gonna have to close this one because it's just taking a lot of money, a lot of my time. Right here, JP Morgan, not gonna touch it. Microsoft, not gonna touch it. Uh, Chevron, nothing to do here. Mastercard, nothing to do here. Visa, nothing to do here. Home Depot, nothing. Meta, nothing. This is okay. This is a good for me. This is a good indicator of the SPX because SPX also is getting stronger right here. I'm gonna hold this thing. I'm not gonna touch it. American Express also. I'm gonna buy American Express because this is a very good one for the $3. 224, 223, 224 is good. 224 into the weekend or probably next week right here. Okay. 10 units to make it worth it. Right here, American Express also showing a good strength area right here. Broadcom, let me see Broadcom. Probably I'm gonna buy it. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it into the 14110. Too much probably, but I'm gonna go into the. Let me see. It could be 1260. Not bad. 1260. Oh, let's make it. There you go. This is even better. 1309. Nubank. We got Nubank. Probably overbought. I'm gonna start to sell, but I'm not gonna touch it again because I'm already in for 10, um, 10 units right here. What's happening with Amazon? Let me see. Amazon, not in my area. Netflix, not in my area. DoorDash, nothing to see here. SPX going strong, 5166. Oof, I like this thing right here. It's gonna consolidate and then it's gonna reach my my 5,200 probably by the end of the week, for sure in 2 or 3 days. Like see Palantir. Oh, I'm gonna buy Palantir. I like Palantir right here. 10 units coming back to 27. Not too much, nothing crazy right here. Okay, there you go. Buying Palantir because it's my area. It's a good company. Probably is gonna try to close this gap around here. So I'm gonna place my stop loss around here just to make sure. There you go. For me, it's safe. Just gonna be here 2 3 days, coming back. I see that possible. We got now Disney. Disney, I'm not gonna touch it because this is a big gap over here to be filled. And after this gap is filled, and I see the right moment and chance, I'm gonna enter right now. We got Mercado Libre, ready to buy. I'm gonna hold it. I'm already in. I'm just gonna wait for this thing to develop in maybe 1 or 2 more weeks. Just not gonna touch it right here. CRM, ready to buy, coming back, coming strong. Of course, I'm gonna buy it into the 310. 310 showing a big good support, but I'm gonna go 305 right here. 305. Yes. PayPal. What we got in PayPal? PayPal going strong. Is overbought. I'm not gonna touch it. Oracle. What's happening with Oracle? Ooh, Oracle. I don't know. We got this gap right here. It's not ready in my area. I'm not gonna touch it. Adobe. Oof. Oversold. Very strong oversold right here. And I'm gonna buy it, of course, because I'm gonna wait for the fill up area right here. I'm buying Adobe into the 550 to crazy. I'm gonna go 515 right here to make sure. Now I'm gonna put my stop loss because I see a big chance for this for return. So my stop loss will be around 475 right here on Adobe. We got Apple also. Apple coming back strong. Look at this Apple right here. Coming back. I like it. I love it. I knew it is going to come back. Also, a little bit probably of news, but Apple is a company that I trust. I'm not going to enter again. I'm just good. I'm fine with one position right here. I'm just keep it watching right here. Tesla, one of my favorites, is going to take now another couple of months into getting back into my area, which I bought and everything. Not reading news, not hearing to nobody, just do your work and wait for it. Right here, Taiwan Semiconductor, Nvidia coming stronger. Right here, pretty good. I love it. Night 20, night 21. Google retracement a little bit, but it's still going up. Nvidia coming good. I love it. Now, let's go to the Bitcoin. What's happening on Bitcoin? Bitcoin trying to find a consolidation area into go for the next, which is going to be 72,000 and probably 80,000, which is going to be a really, really nice area to go. What am I doing here? I'm just waiting to come back into the good area and expecting that it will go up because of the ETF interest of people right here, which I separate right here. So you can have an idea how this thing has been growing up for the interest of the people right here. Let me see. Uh, for example, we're going to talk that about it later on. And just to finish, I'm going to go to the euro dollar right here. This is my view after probably 4 years doing it. Checking my channel right here, down trade channel, touching this thing right here. Let me just put it. I'll move it right here. Okay, there you go. And move this one right here. Remember that this big sale of right here was because of PPI, right? That's why I pin it over here, so I will know what is happening over here. This is just volatility uh, imp- uh, implemented, right? Now, what do I have over here? We got the downtrend coming good, right? Just you want to make it perfect. Just open up a little bit over here, close it a little bit to the upside, so it could be aligned. Okay, so after we found the bottom over here on the euro dollar, there is no way to enter right here. I'm just waiting because if you wanted to enter, you should wait it to this area right here to enter. This is the one. This was the good area to enter. I'm gonna open right here a little bit more so you have a better idea about why. Right here, look at this. You can see the drain. right here. Coming up, there was the top if you want to take profits. Coming back again to this area, coming up again right here. Coming down a little bit, then coming down because of the data release. Now what we're waiting for? We're waiting for little bit of coming down again, but then pull up the way back right here, right up right here, right up right here. 110.80, 111. My take profit is at 111.50, which is going to be a good area for to take profits right here, right? Okay. Now what we got? We got to be patient. We open up a little bit more since it's been already a couple of months of this strategy to work. Uh, I'm expecting to see. There you go. I'm gonna go zoom in into this area, checking this thing. You see, it's coming down, it's coming down, it's coming down. It came down. It's coming up, it's coming up, it's coming up. What are we looking for over here? This is a nice price action into the upside, into the upside. Waiting over here, price action into the upside right here, and then we're gonna see probably coming back at 112 by the end of the year, maybe, or by almost the end of the year of vacations area. Okay, so now no way, not ready to enter right here. If you wanna enter like really good, you should wait over here. So now I'm waiting into this area to start selling. I'm not gonna sell. I'm still buying. I'm buying. I'm buying. I'm buying. That's it. I'm not selling right here. Coming back into the 4 hour bar right here. So we're still watching that this is gonna take time. You gotta be patient and you gotta stay into the thing. Don't sell. If you don't sell, you don't lose. Just stay there, stay in the game. And probably that's gonna be everything for me right now since I'm gonna show you we did very good on Bitcoin, and also I want to show you that I'm entered into this there is like there is like a there is like a competition I enter, and hopefully if I win I'm gonna be giving free ways for all my followers. If you follow me, I'm gonna be given a free prize if I win this competition, because I'm already into the competition. Not doing bad, but I'm not yet into the top 5 traders around the world, or maybe around the US, which this company is taking profits right here. But I'm gonna show you real quick what happened with Bitcoin the last time I entered. This is what happened today, right? Today, March 18, we can see Apple. I close it on the $12. Then I close Nvidia into the 265. This is manually because I was waiting a long time for that. I closed also Tesla at 44. This is my Bitcoin move, which I closed for the 1116. Uh, what else did I close? Last week I didn't close very much because it was a very week for me. So it was nothing too much around be around or something like that. You can see right now Bitcoin. I made 1116, but also you can see Bitcoin having a 1,289 right here, but I'm not selling. I'm holding because I see a big push to the upside, which is gonna come back to green by the end of the week, or maybe even on Wednesday. Okay, so I'm not selling. I'm holding. I bought one whole Bitcoin because I see the potential of this thing. Because this thing will be the new, the new currency that is gonna beat everyone. Okay, according to a new information that I got. What else do I have over here? I'm just gonna wait this one for the Wednesday move. Coming back over here, I started on 20,000. I'm on 26,221, showing good now. I'm gonna show you for the competition that I told you, which is the leap right here. On the leap, doing good, not bad. Right here, Bitcoin. You already know it's gonna be to 80. I'm just waiting for this thing because I got 15 more days to close this profit right here. Not doing bad. I started with 250. I'm on 255. not bad. Doing trying to do a big chances right here. How this thing works? I'm gonna show you how this thing works. Maybe if you wanna participate also in this competition right here that I'm talking about. What is this? This is a competition. Happy with me? With me, I enter good trades right here. I'm gonna show you. This is for the competition. The competition is called the Leap right here. I'm gonna tell you real quick how you're gonna enter. Since I entered, which was right here on March 7th. On March 7th, I entered. They gave me 250. So I start entering in competition right here for the Euro USD going long because that's my long term position with 65 earnings right here. This is what they charge you because you take days and everything and they get a charge for this thing. So it's for the cookies. You get this thing. Nice position on the Bitcoin, 890 right here. Good. 19 into the euro dollar. Good. Not bad. This is just moves to cover this thing. Uh, Big lose for the this is the gold right here because I put my stop loss too tight. Now big comeback with almost 3,500 on the crypto right here. Doing good. Not bad. This is financial, and another Bitcoin hit for 836, which is not bad. Of course, you can make these numbers if the account is big. If your account is small, you got to make small numbers, but it's going to be working. Okay, so this is very important. What else do we have over here? I got 43 for the gold and 33 for the euro. Not bad. What else do I have over here? We got the Euro 33. This is financial. Now waiting for this thing to come back. I gotta make at least $30,000 to stay alive into the competition. I'm just waiting for this thing. See how it's gonna go. See how it's gonna win. And I feel good. I feel confident. I don't think I'm gonna make it into the top five. Hopefully, yes. But we're gonna see. I'm a long-term trader, so I'm just put the place the trades and just wait for it into developing into the thing right here. What I got Bitcoin red. I'm gonna wait until Friday. This one's gonna turn green and then wait again to enter again. Euro dollar red right here because I'm still buying, but right now not ready to take off. Gold into the red, just waiting for this area. This is nothing. And the only green I got is the SPX 500 on 132, 135. But I'm not going to touch it until it's 5,200 and then probably enter again. How many days do I have to complete this competition? I'm going to show you right now. Right here, the competition ends in 13 days, 9 hours, 59 minutes, and 50 seconds as I speak. What is happening right here? There is big traders right here into this game. We got this guy with 35% making profits of 89,000. Of course, he's doing better than me. I'm just doing 5,000 right now because I'm not going full on this game. I'm just entering in 30 minutes, get out. Sometimes I don't even touch it for 2 or 3 days. So I'm going just like 2 or 3 days. I watch it, I enter it, and that's it because at the end, they're going to give you one free month payoff if your profits are green at the end. We got big competence right here. 18%. He made already 46,000. We got another one with 34, 34, 34, 33, 34, 33, 32. So 34 and 32, it's the name. It's the number that probably you gotta be around to be into the best ones. Right here, this guy surprised me because it's already 89, which he's gonna double up the account. I don't know how he does. Probably he doesn't sleep. I don't know how he does, but I don't wanna I don't wanna also to go too hard into this thing. So this is the competition I'm in. I'm just showing you right now, and the prices are $10,000 for the number one, 5,000 for the second, 3,000 for the third, 2,000 for the fourth, 1,000 for the five. Plus they give you get some month of they pay you for 1 month over here. Okay, that's it. This is what I want to show you. I got 13 more days. Anything can happen in 13 days. I'm just keeping focus on this thing and just showing you some of the Interesting things that I see into this beautiful job that is trading, and that is something that have changed my mindset and have changed also the way I perceive and I see things along life. Right now, this is my account, just waiting for this thing. Remember, Bitcoin is red for me, but I'm just waiting into the big move for the 2 3 days consolidation right here. Probably I'm gonna see a little pullback right here. I don't know. I'm gonna place my stop loss right here. Just want to make sure I'm into the right path right here. Watching a consolidation, pull up to the upside, take profits, wait again to see if I can enter. If you want to enter right now, don't enter because it's not a good area to enter. If you enter, you should enter around here to sell, around here to sell, or maybe around here to buy, or maybe around here to buy, or maybe around here to buy, which I did. So I'm just waiting to this develop into the upside and then take profits and then come back again. That's it for me. Thank you very much. Stay profitable. This is New York Runs Global. My name is Juan Carlos, and we out.